Hey everyone, Brian from WorkshopAddict.com, and we are thrilled to bring a new giveaway to you, and this time it's going to be the Milwaukee M12 Stubby impact wrenches. We're going to give away 2 of these. They're going to come with batteries. It's going to be your choice of anvil size, either 1/2 inch, 3/8, or 1/4. Now I have the 1/2 inch and 1/4 here. The 3/8 is at Jeff's house already. He has a small project as we're getting ready for a trip to the Hatfield-McCoy trails in West Virginia. These tools have been incredibly useful to us. If you watch Wrenches and Rides at all, you'll see we've been using them to tear down our machines, beef them up a little bit for the trip. Awesome tools. If you haven't checked out our review, please go over and do so. Neat little wrenches that just work in so many different places and have enough power that you can use them, on the suspension system of side-by-sides, inside motors. They rate this up to 250 foot-pounds, and there's some, let's just say there's some comments out there that somebody is removing semi-truck lugs with them. I'm going to come out and say I fully disagree. How about let's do some real-world testing and not just tighten something up and then remove it right away. That's really not how things go. So either way, guys, these are good. They do struggle with some of the lug nuts on like F350s where you have them upwards of 165 foot-pounds. It's going to depend on who put them on before, how tight it is, how long they've been on. Either way, they work, at least in the 1/2 and 3/8 on that. The 1/4, it's not going to do lug nuts. It's going to be a lot more smaller type stuff that you're going to do in engines, inside, or side-by-sides. Either way, I just wanted to clear up some of those odd comments that we get. So on to this review. What I would like to know is, what is the coolest car that you're working on right now? So it doesn't have to be cool. Basically, it's what are you working on now? If you're working on multiple things, what is the coolest thing that you're working on? Don't forget to follow it by #WorkshopAddict. We are going to go 2 weeks from today when we put out the winner. We'll draw. We're going to, again, 2 people. You're going to have your choice of any of the 3 that they make. We'll draw that. So make sure you subscribe and turn on the notifications. That's going to be important because we're going to need you to get back with us. As always, guys, we appreciate all your support. We love giving back to you. So this is just another time that we can say thank you for everything that you do for us. So make sure you have a great day. Check you later.